Hello everyone, good day to all of you. I welcome you all to this FDP on electric vehicles. Today electric vehicles are all set to create revolution in automotive industry. The existing vehicles use conventional fossil fuel, and as a result they create lot of environmental pollution. These electric vehicles are going to be cleaner substitute for these vehicles which use conventional fossil fuel. The electric vehicles the requirement of electric vehicles can be catered by using non-conventional energy sources, nuclear power sources, and also natural gas and other cleaner sources of fuel which can generate electricity required for using these electric vehicles. Due to reduction in the conventional fossil fuel, it will help in improving the public health, improvement in the pollution control of the created because of these vehicles, and also will have a larger impact on ecology as a result of reduced emissions. Moreover, these vehicles will generate less noise. As a result, it will also reduce noise pollution. These electric vehicles are the future of transportation. Though it is in nascent stage at present, but Indian automotive market industry will create a large market for these electric vehicles. As a result of this, there is going to be a new area which will require large manpower of different kind of disciplines and specializations. Those who are having knowledge of the relevant field, they will be in demand. This electrical vehicle industry will not only create opportunities for jobs but also will create opportunities for entrepreneurship. They require various kinds of specialized engineering. They are going to require various kinds of specializations of engineering, like they will require mechanical engineer who will be required for design of the vehicles, who will be required for the designing interior, exterior of the vehicles, various mechanical components required, air conditioning systems, then vehicular dynamics, and so many other things. Similarly, electrical engineer will be required to design electrical components, to maintain these components, even to manufacture the various electric components like motors and various other devices. Electronics engineers will be required for controlling all these systems which are required in this electrical mechanical equipments and safety gadgets which are provided in these vehicles, and moreover testing of hardware and software which is required. Material science engineers will also be required to design material required for components, various components and parts which will be used in this area. In short, this industry is going to need various different specializations of engineers like air conditioning systems, then system design, architecture, integration of various systems in this requirement. Then in short, this means that there will be requirement of thermal engineers, embedded design, power electronics, quality control, vehicle simulation, system monitoring, integration, system architectures, testing, and every kind of specialized services will be required in this industry. That means the large requirement of specialized engineers is going to be there. This will create not only opportunities or jobs but also many opportunities for entrepreneurship in various sectors like design, production, marketing, and then engineering services. This automotive industry is bound to see revolutionary growth in India with the policies, with support from the government in the form of favorable policies, infrastructure, which will be provided for the growth of this, which will be required for the growth of this industry. So this is going to, in view of this, and to maintain pace with technology and recent trends in the market, this faculty development program has been organized in this industry, and it is very important. I welcome all of you, all the participants who are participating in this faculty development program. I appreciate your participation and would like to thank all of you. And also would like to congratulate the entire organizing team for successfully organizing this faculty development program. All the best to all of you. I request you all to stay home, stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.